This is the Master Lock Key Lock Box. It's one of those things that every realtor should have in their car. It's great for so many reasons. Even if you're just a homeowner and you're going on vacation, or you got a cleaner that comes in, or somebody that's coming into your business or your property, it's great to have a lockbox that they can access via a code and get the keys inside of there. So let me show you how this works. Got a little cover here for the numbers. It's got a 4-digit combo on there that you can set to anything that you want to set it to, and I'll show you how to do that. You press this lever down, open this up, and you can see all this space in here to put keys, notes, whatever you want to put in there. If you wanted to, for instance, wrap it around a light post, a fence rail, or a doorknob, and it does fit around a doorknob, a no regular doorknob. There's a little lever inside of here, right there. You pull that back, and this comes out. You would hook it around the doorknob, over, pull it back, lock it into place, throw your keys in there, and you're good to go. Now, if you want to change this combination on here, right inside of here, there's just a little lever right there, right there. You press that, flip it up into position, and it's ready to be set. So let's change this to 1001. We'll just do that right there. So now we've got it in place. We just flip this lever back and we're set. Close the lock and let's scramble it around. Can't open it, can't open it. Set it to 1001. Where are you at? There it is. Press the button and we're back in. It's just that easy, that simple, that durable, and that secure. The Master Lock Key Lock Box for outdoor use.